So today, I replaced the oil pressure sending unit in my Vette, and I enjoy celebrating the little victories. Alright, in this video, bees. Just kidding. So yeah, in this video, we're not working on the truck. Gotcha. Yeah, so we're not working on the truck, but we are working on something I think just as cool, just like 30 years newer. This one. God, it looks so good on camera. That red is just brutal. It looks so good. That red. Torch red. This truck sounds amazing though. So this truck's gonna get loved next, in the form of some electrical work, and then I'm gonna rebuild the quadrijet so that the secondaries open up when they should, so I can do burnouts whenever I want. I love that sound. That exhaust is a mile long, but you can still hear that big block through that thing. Man, it sounds so good. I haven't started this truck in a couple weeks. Imagine if the secondaries opened. But they don't. The issue at hand, and nobody freak out. That right there, if you can see it, let's see if I can get you in closer. That right there is my oil pressure sensor, my oil pressure gauge, and it's reading 80 psi. Also, if I go into gauges, oil pressure reads 130 psi, which is not accurate. Actually, let's just... I love pop-ups so much. So cool. I should really switch Le Mans lights on the 85 because it's supposed to be like the dedicated track car, but I can't bring myself to ditch the pop-ups. It's so much front end weight. It's so stupid, but I like them. Unfortunately for me, the oil pressure sending unit Are you serious? Somebody sniped that shit? No way. Bro. No way. Okay, might need to take a different approach because that ain't happening. Oh my gosh. Oh. All right. Check this out. So the oil pressure sending unit, if you've done research, is a pain. It's very problematic. It's not cool. Quite the opposite. Getting to it, these are the tools that I have out. Ignore the knife, but needle nose, angled, straight. Most people say you need a hook and stuff, and like a bunch of stuff, and patience, and blah, blah, blah. I tried to, I could almost reach it with my hand, because, I'll show you where it is. Oh, the door is back. It's down in here, okay? You can kind of see it. No, you can see the plug, okay. Behind that plug is the oil pressure sending unit. So guess You've never seen a zip tie tech tip like this. I'm sorry to hijack that, but I bent this. I got it under the arm, I got it under the clip, and I worked it and I pulled it out. I got it down and under, out, and then worked it up, and I pulled the plug out using a pinched zip tie. I'm so proud of myself, it's crazy. But now I got to do the really bad part, which is actually getting the socket in there. Apparently that's the easy part, but this is the easy part, apparently. Man, I am just, whew, I need to calm down. All right, now that I got that clip out with that nifty trick though, now I got to start this next section, which is getting this whole assortment in that tiny little opening and seeing how much stuff I don't need to remove, because I hate removing stuff if I can get it done without it. Even though usually it makes it a lot easier, I don't want to risk breaking stuff taking it apart, because that's kind of what I've done a lot. So yeah, anyways, let's see if we can. Not promising out of the gate. That's not gonna go. That ain't gonna go. There's some vacuum lines that I need to remove, like the PCV line and probably the line off the booster. So, damn it. So I'm gonna get started on that. All right, so here's the deal. I took the PCV. I took the PCV off. I unhooked all this wiring to where I could move this out and away from that clip in there. And away from that, like up over that clip right there. And then move this up and out of the way. So then I could drop the socket in. I dropped the socket in with the extension on. And man, that is tricky to see. You can see the socket down there. But now the socket is seated and I can't get the extension. I can't get the extension to pull the socket off so I could show you guys. Actually me putting the socket and everything in there, dropping it in, routing it in, and dropping it on. We see if it actually wants to come out reasonably. Ooh, okay. Yeah, I'm nervous. Oh yeah. Okay. Whew. Whew. I wish this had a rubber grommet, like a spark plug socket, and it would pull this thing out, because I don't know what sound that was. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay. Okay. I think I can snipe that. Whew. All right, so I got the thing. My hand is chewed up. So I got it resting in place, but I can't actually spin it. So I'm gonna try and, there's no way. There ain't no way. Wire, come on. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No way. No way. Now I'm just gonna grab the socket because apparently that doesn't want to stay. Let's see here. Just in case I have to, I'm just gonna lean out and check. That's promising. Oh my goodness. See if it's leaking. And it is not leaking. Hello. Fixed it. All these old guys said it would take hours. Because that's the only people that work on Corvettes except for like Taylor Ray. Shout out Taylor Ray, my favorite YouTuber. Anyways, I fixed the oil pressure, man. That is, whew, gauges. Oh, door ajar. Hold on. Gauges. Oil pressure 43 pounds. Yes. That has been like that for a little while. Now it's just the dumb stuff. Yes. I am in shock. I think when I pull the motor eventually though, I'm gonna spin that sensor because I can't reach the clip from, the clip is on the back side now as opposed to the forward side where I could hook it with a zip tie and do my little shimmy, shimmy, ya, shimmy, yay. So today I replaced the oil pressure sending unit in my Vette, and I enjoy celebrating the little victories. These fronts have zero traction. Good enough for now. Next time this thing will do better. Oh gosh, these front tires are useless. Let me see. The backs are pretty good. The backs are sticky.